Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your WhatsApp link device problem. So let's just get straight into the video. There are a couple of reasons why you could be facing this problem. The first being your internet connection. So what you want to do is try to switch between your Wi-Fi and your mobile data to ensure a stable internet connection. Also make sure that VPN is always turned off and airplane mode should be turned on and turned off just to give it that quick refresh. The other thing you want to try to do is simply check if there are any updates available. So all you need to do is simply open your App Store or Play Store, search for WhatsApp just like that, and then click on search. Once you've done that, click on the application and there will be a update button where the blue open button is if there was any updates. It is as simple as that. Finally, if none of those work, try to restart your phone. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.